Hello, everybody. It's the old bird. I'm Linda with Gotta Be Handmade. I thought I would go live to show you my next step on my house foundation. And I was gonna wait until I got further along in my painting. My trusty helper is with me today. He's holding my camera because my last video was upside down on his side. But anyway, it's beginning to rain. And I'm loving it. But I'm gonna go in. So I thought I would come on and do my live and say hello and let you see what I'm working on. Now there's a mosquito. This is my next character. This is my mosquito spray. You have to have it. And you know my girlfriend, I told you, she always told me to share something when I go live for her daughter. So I was thinking about what in the world could I share? And here it is. You know how sometimes a person will come to your mind and you say, let me give them a call and see how they're doing. Let me say hello. Here's the tip. If that happens, contact that person. Don't wait. Send them a special card or a hello, anything. Because you don't ever know why that person came to your mind. Let me tell you something that happened to me. There was this guy in D.C. that did my hair, Mr. William. Mr. William did my hair for years. And his shop was in his home. He had an amazing shop. He did all the work himself, the shampoo bowls, everything. He even ran the plumbing. His entire basement was his shop. And he and his wife divorced, which meant Mr. William couldn't have his shop in his home anymore. So he went and rented a place in a shopping center. The person that he rented from was a lady that I met only through Mr. William when he moved and relocated to her shop. And I was going to see Mr. William to get my hair done that week. And for some reason, that lady just stayed on my mind. And I said, Lord, why in the world is my mind focused on this lady? I don't know her. I knew her name. Well, on the way to get my hair done, we had people selling flowers in the street. You know how you buy those bouquets of flowers from people selling them. And I rolled my window down and I told the guy, I said, I'd like to get a bouquet. And he said, okay, great. For some reason, I bought that lady a bouquet of flowers. I took the bouquet with me, and Mr. William was finishing up on the person scheduled prior to me. And I went outside to the car to get the bouquet. And when I came back, she was coming out the door, talking to somebody. And I said, excuse me, I don't want to interrupt you. I said, but I brought you something and I just want to give it to you. And I handed it to her, kept right on walking. She didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Got in the chair at Mr. Williams. And we were talking, and he was almost finished. Sometime later, the lady came to his chair, and she said, "Excuse me, why did you give me those flowers?" And I said, "Because you were on my mind." She said, "I wondered how you knew." And I looked at her and I said, "How I knew what?" She said, "Today is my birthday. Nobody gave me anything. This is the only thing I've gotten today. My son didn't even call. Or he hasn't yet. And I wanted to thank you." And she started crying. And I looked up at Mr. William and I told him, I said, "I have to get up." He said, "Okay." And I got up and I hugged her and walked her back to her office. And I told her, I said, "You enjoy the flowers and you have a wonderful birthday. The day isn't over. Enjoy it. Do something just for you." And when I was going back to the chair to finish getting my hair done, I thought about it. What if I had not given her those flowers? I say that was the Lord telling me, do something special for that lady. And I'm so glad that I did. So that's my little message for today. If something like that happens to you, please take heed. Listen to that quiet voice. Do for somebody else. It may not turn out like it did for me, but I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. You can't. Not when you do something for somebody else. I hope your day is going well. And like I said, it's beginning to rain, so I can't have my helper out here in this rain. But this is my next character, and I hope to get him finished this week. How is it looking to you? I think he's coming along nicely. I don't know who he is. Just a character that I saw on Google Images. Now let me put his light in that eye that I finished, and I'll call it a day. I've been so busy listing new products in my shop, taking classes, and decorating for the holidays. I don't paint eyes well, but I try not to ever forget to put that little light in there. How you like it? He's going to be holding a glass. I think he's coming along nicely. Okay, everybody. I know this was quick. And I thank you for joining me. The little raindrops have started back, so I'm going to end now. Remember, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.